In SAP Analytics Cloud, we use stories to contain the pages of charts, tables, and maps that we generate as we explore our data. To create a story, we can launch the process directly from the home screen or choose Create from the main menu. A new document is created, and there are various ways we can get started. We can choose a predefined story template, access and explore data, add a blank canvas page, add a responsive page with formatting that works for multiple screen sizes, or add a grid page, which functions like a spreadsheet. Note that if we want the story to be compatible with the SAP Analytics Cloud mobile app, we need to use responsive pages or a responsive template. For this example, we'll add a canvas page to our story. We'll explore the other options in other videos. A new page is added, and there's a variety of objects we can add to it. Before we continue, we'll save the story. Note that we also have the option to save a story as a file, which lets us create a PDF, or save it as a template, which allows us to reuse its layout and styling. We can make the story accessible to only ourselves and others we explicitly share it with by saving it to the My Files area. Make it available to everyone by saving it to the public folder, or make it available to our teams by saving it to the appropriate team folder. The story has now been saved, and the breadcrumbs have been updated to show its location. In the Files area, the story has been added to the list of available files with an icon to identify the file type. Note that we can also create new stories directly from the Files screen. Thanks for watching.